Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this eye look. If you have been following my YouTube channel for a while, you might notice that my brows look a bit different. I actually challenged myself to do more of a easy, smoky daytime look, but with more natural brows, looking kind of wild and bushy. I posted a picture on my Instagram. I received a lot of positive feedback, which was so sweet. So maybe I'm gonna do it more often. I'm not sure yet. So in today's video, I'm gonna take this palette from Sigma Beauty. It's the Warm Neutrals palette. I actually received it in the mail a day before I filmed this video, so I thought, let me just try it out. And I thought it was actually perfect for the look I wanted to go for. I wanted to create a really nice daytime warm brown eye look, so this palette was perfect. So I'm going to start with the color Toasty, taking a Sigma E40 brush, and I'm going to start blending this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. This is going to be the transition shade, so I want this to be really blended into my crease. Also going to blend it up a bit higher. I kind of wanted it to blend into the brows to get like a really nice natural smoky effect. I see a lot of makeup artists always blending their eyeshadow into their brows, so I wanted to try it as well and see how that would look. Now for the next color, I'm gonna take this one, which is called Rocky. I'm not sure how you pronounce this name. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna start with blending it in the outer V, using the same Sigma Beauty E40 brush, and then blend it more towards the inner corner and the crease area. So I just keep blending, added a bit more of the shade. I'm slowly building it up by going in with more and more of this eyeshadow color. Then now that I'm done with this color, I took a tinier brush, applying a little bit more. I felt like there wasn't enough product yet, so I wanted it to be even more reddish, or whatever this color is. It's kind of like a red-brown color. So after blending that, I'm going in with this color, and I'm going to take my finger. I'm going to use it all over the eyelid. I do have to mention that I was kind of disappointed with how this shade was looking. It was not like super pigmented or not like as shiny as it looks in the palette. So I think the shade will look better when you use a flat brush with a little bit of setting spray. That will make it look more shiny. So now I'm going to take the same reddish color which we used earlier. Now I'm taking a Sigma flat definer brush, and I'm going to apply it underneath the lower lash line. All of the brushes I'm using today are included in my brush kit together with Sigma Beauty, which I have linked down in the description bar. So then I went in with the Sigma Beauty E33 brush and blending this shade all the way underneath the lower lash line to smoke it out. Now I'm taking a tiny pencil brush, and I'm going to take this color right here. Oh, this is actually not included in the Sigma Beauty brush kit that I included. I thought I wasn't using this brush, but I see I do. This is a pencil brush from Sigma Beauty, and I'm pressing it in the inner corner. And then next to it, I'm going to take this color, which is a little bit more, I'm not sure what the color is, a little bit more rosy, I think. Then I'm taking the Morphe Vibes pencil, and I'm going to use this for in the waterline. I use this pencil with almost every eye look I create. I really love it. It really makes the eye color stand out more. Then I'm going to take a tiny wing liner brush, and I'm going to use a pencil from NYX Cosmetics. It's a bit darker than the one that I used in the waterline. And I'm going to create a line above the lash line and also a wing liner. I didn't want it to go for a black eyeliner look today. I wanted to do a brown wing. So that's why I used this pencil, and it was actually so easy to just use an eye pencil and you get the same effect. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I used the Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline, and I applied some wifey material lashes from Tati Lashes. And then I went back in with the wing liner brush, applying a little bit more of that pencil I used to create that wing liner. I created kind of like a pointy inner corner. And then I went back in with the Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline and applying the same mascara underneath the lower lashes as well. And then this is the end result. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Let me know if you're gonna try it out as well. And if you do recreate it, don't forget to tag me on social media so I can post your recreations at the end of each video. Right now you can see all the looks that you guys sent me on Instagram. I absolutely love seeing your recreations, so definitely keep sending them to me so I can share them in my videos. And yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye!